Hey, I'm Javon, and this is Nick with Pickard USA.
Our 30-inch Jade affiliated big wheel package will definitely make you stand out from the crowd.
We've assembled a complete 30-inch Harley front end package, which includes your choice of a chrome or black Jade wheel with a mounted tire, matching 13-inch rotor, American suspension weld-on or bolt-on neck and trees, choice from several Pickard USA fenders with the correct spacers.
For road glides, we carry the adjustable road glide bracket to correct the headlight angle. For street glides, check out the options for a raked outer fairing or a raked headlight bezel. We've also got you covered on Road Kings with our one-piece rake nacelle.
Be sure to ask about our 30-inch Pro Touring full body kit for a complete custom build.
So if you have any questions at all, give us a call here at the shop or visit PickardUSA.com.